welcome back to my channel. My name is Shanika, and I'm here to talk to you guys a little bit about vision boards. So, the vision board that you see behind me, I actually created it last year around January, December, around the New Year time. And I really wanted to talk about this. I've literally been planning this video in my mind for so long, and I'm finally getting the chance to sit down and talk to you guys about it. A vision board is kind of like a collage of, it can be pictures, it can be quotes, it can be words. It serves as a symbolic representation of what you want and the goals you want and what you want to manifest for the year. So I'm gonna actually reflect on my vision board that I made in 2020. I think it would be a good way of just kind of reflecting on the year, what I accomplished, what I didn't accomplish. Yes, at this time of year, a lot of people are doing a lot of reflecting on what they have accomplished throughout the year, what they wish had changed, and I really wanted to do that, especially because this year, 2020, was the first year that I actually created a vision board. So the board that you see behind me was my first time actually making a vision board, and I made it in a time when I was kind of feeling down, and I really wanted to feel more positive, and I wanted more positive energy, and I just knew that I wanted a change in the next coming months. So let's say I did this like around January, December, like ending of December, beginning of January, when I made that board. And I just really knew that in my mind I really wanted to work towards getting to a more positive mind space. I feel like I wasn't in the best mindset at the time. So I really wanted that to change, and I think the vision board really helped me, and it was a really fun activity. And I'm going to talk a little bit about, my goals and kind of what I incorporated in my vision board and how it kind of came to life in the year. Last year I had a lot of stuff going on, just a lot of stuff going on. My grandma had passed away. I was also kind of like healing from like a breakup, and then my goal for 2020 was truthfully to get myself in a more positive headspace, and just be more positive overall, positive energy, positive vibes, positivity, period. Like, that's all I wanted. So on my vision board I incorporated like positive words, positive affirmations, such as certain words that I have includes, for example, I have focus on your growth rather than perfection. I have you are awesome. Smile, to remind myself to smile more, be more positive. I have energy goals, where attention flows, meaning that if you give negative things your attention, that's basically the energy that you're gonna send off. You're gonna send off negative energy. So I'm just reminding myself, that was a reminder to myself to give more attention to positive things that make me happy, and that energy will flow back to me. I also have smile, to remind myself to smile more. I think I said that already. The next part of my vision board that I really wanted to talk about, it says nurse in progress. If you didn't know, I am a nursing student and I am in my last year, and Corona has definitely affected my schooling and when the timing of when I was supposed to graduate. But regardless, I'm still here, I'm still continuing, and I'm still on track, and I literally have like 3 more credits to go until I'm done. So I have a picture of the beach, and I have a picture of a girl, like I believe this is somewhere in Jamaica. Like, I wanted to travel more, and thankfully in February, it was so crazy how this happened, but in February, like reading week, I was able to travel to Mexico, and I went for 5 days. I went to Tulum with one of my best friends, and we had a blast. But it was just so crazy how that happened, because I literally 2 days before the flight, like I literally decided to go. So it just happened so fast. And I remember seeing this on my vision board. Like I never even planned to go to Mexico. I never even thought of like that would be an ideal place to go. But I just remember when the opportunity came up to go with my friend, I remember looking at my vision board and I was like, literally my vision board is speaking to me and saying, your goal was to travel this year, go. And it was right before, you know, Corona got really bad. So because it was right before it, we were able to go, come back, and that's when everything got crazy and the airport shut down. And so I'm so glad that I was able to actually, you know, do that goal or actually travel. And I even have another photo of like a girl traveling with her passport. So that was one goal and I accomplished it. So the other thing is here up in the corner. I don't know if you guys can see this, but it literally says, it's a necklace that says self-paid, and I have like money, and that picture represented my goal of becoming more financially independent and having, I guess, just having more money. And what's so crazy is so in June, it was exactly June 15th, 2020, I decided to start my own lip gloss business. So I launched my lip gloss business, and so I've been working on it ever since. And so if you have not seen or followed me, if you're not following me already on Instagram, my cosmetic line is called Alana Allure Cosmetics. I'll leave the name in the bio or in the description box. But yeah, so I started my business in the summertime, and then not only that, I also was able to get a job in the summer, and I've literally been working consistently at that job since the summer, just racking up, you know, savings. Like literally, I'm just literally racking up saving and using that to invest in my business. And so a little background about my business. So I started selling lip glosses in the summer, and then I shut down my website in October, and I'm planning to rebrand January 2021. So I've literally just been working on the rebrand, and I'm so excited for 2021. That's also going to be like on my 2021 vision board, like my building my brand and continuing to work on my business. But it's just so crazy because when I made this board, I never thought that the business that I would create, or you know, self-paid, would be equal to me, or it would mean that I would start my own lip gloss or cosmetic line. Like I had no idea. So it just kind of was an idea that came about like randomly, and I just went with it because I just had a strong gut feeling that it was something that I would enjoy. And I've really been enjoying this process of me rebranding. I'll probably leave a video or something of like showing you guys my products and what I have. But these lashes are part of my cosmetic line, and the lip gloss that I'm wearing is also like a lip gloss that I made. So I make handmade lip glosses, and I have lashes as well now. So that's kind of what happened. Like I literally just kind of started the lip gloss business out of the blue. I had the idea of starting a business for a really long time, like from the beginning of last year. Like I remember making a list of the things that I wanted, like making a list of the types of businesses that I could potentially start, like just making random things, like business ideas. And the only thing that like really stuck that I identified with a lot was to launch the cosmetic line. And I've been through ups and downs since doing it, but I'm ready to relaunch in January and make it better than ever. And I recently just had a photo shoot for it, and the photos came out amazing. If you haven't checked that vlog out, I have the vlog for that. So it just goes to show you that, like, literally I'm working towards all these goals that have been on my vision board that I didn't even realize. Last year I really wanted to go to like a concert in 2020, but because of Corona, I keep saying the word Corona and I feel like I'm gonna get flagged or something, but because of it, a lot of the concerts were closed down. Like you can't have concerts during this time anyways. We're supposed to be social distancing, so it just never happened. But and so this didn't really happen this year, but in general, like I feel like my intention behind that photo was to just really enjoy myself and have a lot of fun. It's a photo of a concert, and it didn't really, like, I didn't get a chance to go to a concert this year because of coronavirus. I feel like the intention behind that photo was just to really live your best life and just have fun. And I feel like this year the intention behind that photo really came to life, because I feel like this year, once we were out of lockdown, like, I really did enjoy myself. I went out a lot and I got an opportunity to meet new people and socialize a lot more, and I really just lived my best life. So I feel like the intention behind that photo came true, if that makes sense. One more thing is that this year, so I have a picture that says the greatest wealth is your health, and I really was aiming to work on, you know, my body, just my health, my fitness in 2020. And guess what? Because of quarantine, everyone gained weight, and that kind of just went out the window. All the gyms locked down, so it wasn't really a thing. In January, I was trying to get back into the gym and I was going more consistently, but I just got busy and I fell off. So that is definitely something that I'm going to be working on for the new year 2021, and I really am looking forward to also creating another vision board for 2021. My goals for 2021, I'm gonna really try to get my health together. I want to be consistent on YouTube, starting with this video, and yeah, I just want to be consistent on, like, social media as well, with promoting my brand and everything. And so just carrying on with all that I've accomplished this year, just leading into the following year, just continuing to grow and to continue to elevate and set goals. So that's kind of where I'm at. But yeah, if you've made it this far in this video, like, props to you. Thank you so much for watching. Please comment, please subscribe, please follow me on Instagram at Alana Laura Cosmetics. That's my brand. And yeah, I really appreciate you guys for watching this video. I'm going to be filming another video about me making another vision board for the new year, so stay tuned for that. Make sure you subscribe. I'm going to be posting a lot of, like, entrepreneur videos, and, like, I really like doing DIY, so I guess that vision board video is going to kind of be like a DIY. So yeah, if you like content like that, please subscribe. I've said that like a million times, but I mean it. But yeah, so I guess that's it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.